In this video, I will show you how to test washing machine timer to know whether it is working. So as you can see, this is a timer of a washing machine. The indicator here is currently on 0, that is off. So if you want to know whether it is working, these are different times, that is 3 minutes, 6 minutes, 9 minutes, 12 minutes, 15 minutes. So if you want to on it, turn it to any of the time, either maybe 3 minutes or any of the selected time. So now I will turn it to 6 minutes. You will observe that as I turn it,